All right, mostly moony is the sky out to the east as we look down Interstate 94. It's cool out there thanks to those winds, but temperatures, well, they've been improving or trying to improve throughout the day as we see some high clouds as well mixing into the shot out there. Here's a look at your current conditions out at Hector International Airport. 20 last hour. We're still 24 is what it feels like on exposed skins with those winds gusting to nearly 30 miles per hour from the south-southeast. And we have low 20s for most in the eastern third of North Dakota. But look at Gwinner, 27 there, 25 in Sisseton. Those are the warmer areas. Mid-teens for places like Bemidji, Baudette, Roseau, and 17 this hour in Thief River Falls. Factor in those winds that are gusting over 30 miles per hour out of the south, and we have feels like temperatures in the single digits either side of zero, so it's pretty chilly until we get into that warmer air where your wind chills are still pretty mild. Here is a look, though, at the real warm air. And notice this cold blob that you see here that dives all the way south towards New Orleans right now where it's 44 degrees. Teens focused mainly over the Great Lakes region. Some 50 to 60 degree air punching into portions of the western Dakotas, South Dakota, western Nebraska. We're still tasting more of that bitter cold air, but there is a warm up making its way our way. And that's coming with some growing pains in the form of clouds for us and snow showers showing up along the Highway 2 corridor out towards Minot up to the north. A few flurries showing up, very light echoes on the radar in southeast North Dakota and northeast South Dakota. But when we get up toward that Highway 2 corridor, Devils Lake into Nelson County and straight west towards the Rolla area, a few flakes flying from the atmosphere there. Again, not all of that reaching the ground, but some of it is. And our best chance of snow as we set your hour-by-hour forecast in motion will be in the overnight hours. So between now and 10, not a lot of snowfall potential there. Temperatures nearly steady from where they are right now. Then as we go through the overnight hours, the temperatures remain steady. In fact, some out in parts of central Minnesota will see them warm to near 20. Here's the problem. By morning, we could have some bands of snow leaving slipperiness on area roads for that morning commute. So from the Highway 200 corridor and points south, that's where the best chance of some morning flakes with slippery sidewalks and roadways will be. I don't expect significant snowfall potential. Most will see an inch or less, but it certainly could be slippery. The rest of our day, northwest winds, so it'll be a struggle to warm up with the clouds. The snow shower chances, though, should be gone fairly early in the morning, leaving us with improving sky conditions late. So tomorrow, steady temperatures overnight, 22 to start, rising into the mid-20s with a northwest wind at 15 miles per hour. It will feel brisk and cool once again, particularly up north where temperatures will be closer to 20 on your way home from work, 23 for Detroit Lakes. And how about Aberdeen at 32 tomorrow afternoon as they will continue to improve. Mix of wet water and icy water out there on area lakes right now. Otter Tail Lake shot by Jim. Thanks for uploading your photo. Let's examine the 7-day forecast because it has some fantastic information on it. On Wednesday, we have that snow shot in the morning. The rest of the day, clearing. Looks great on Thursday and Friday. Temperatures in the mid-30s. But how about on Saturday for the big Bison game? We'll highlight that weekend outlook, and it does look like near 40-degree weather for Saturday and Sunday. We'll have hit-and-miss sprinkles and flurries of snow in the forecast right into early next week. But look at those temperatures, 35 to 40. Thursday and beyond.
That looks good. Way better than we've had.
We've been trying.
Yeah.
We've been waiting a long time.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.